Are you ready? Let's go. I know, shake it. Shake. Oh, good shake. Another shake? Can you shake more? I would know them. I moved the kale that I have in little buckets or things there because they are not growing, and maybe this is the only chance that I have to grow more. And I would put a picture of what I plant here. Here I have my beets. Oh, look at these. I love also the beets leaves. I cook those, are delicious. Carrots, I put more carrots too. These are all spicy hot peppers. My husband loves that. These are banana peppers, and I think these are another kind of peppers there. Here is where I have the kales, but they were no, it's a curly kale. We're not doing so good. Have these ones. Look at these bell peppers. Look at this. This little plant is so many. Oh. Here I have rosemary, thyme, a lettuce. Oh, it's dividing. That's amazing. And some. Well, this was coriander. How do you call? Oh my gosh, how do you call coriander? Okay, that. This is a beef steak tomato. Oh, there is another one there. And this one is a cherry tomato. More lettuce. God, the names. I have mint here. I have more coriander there. And this one is blooming. Look at this. I think this is the last year in the pot, and then I will put in the soil. And I have here green beans. This is just attached there, 4 of them, so they will grow and go in this little teepee style thing. And potatoes, I have to do cleaning here. Weeds grows from one day to another so quick. Look at the potatoes. And here I have so many oh my god, my brain today. Well, you know, you recognize the plant. I'm sure I will put the name if I don't remember in a few seconds. But this was just a little branch that broke from the plant, and I planted there, and look, it's still coming. And these were all for seed, all the same time, but some of them grows faster than others. We'll see. And these are the ones that were left here, and they keep maybe I should plant those too. Maybe we'll put in the big pot there. Okay, still hot, time to go in. My wet dog. And I just got these. Let's open to see what I got today. Oh, it has a card. Thank you. All right. One year. That's so cute. Nice. I can believe that I am 1 year in this subscription. That's amazing. Amazing. It's so dark. Let me open here. Okay, better. Drop the one. Nice. This is cotton fabric. Yeah, I can feel that it's cotton. It's very nice, but I'm not sure what I would do. I think a blouse would be good too. There I go. Oh, I got earrings. Oh, look at these with little lemons or orange. I got 2 little lollies, black thread, and this is a very tropical fabric. Very, very tropical. I don't know what they would do. I'm sure that they will do some kind of blouse, but with like tunic kind. What kind of material is this? It feels kind of like cotton. Cotton and cotton, yeah. Okay, I think I know what I will do. We have a celebration going, so. Okay, now I'm going to make a coffee. I'm so tired. And maybe watch some videos.